Nigo muriro mutindi nigo gwatete nyumba y'uburaro asaboroki w'abanyaruka bakorara hase skuru ya Nyangoge Secondary wase biraro byaboroki wabu byabete bigosambwa hase skuru yo kulingana n'umu subcounty director w'Kisemi ase subcounty ya Nyamira North Madam Creo Yula igene kiribunege korwe kyo muhuru kiwundeta iyo otigeretu ingoma chinde cyonsi kunere nige niba yabo yabete kegosirira inse enganeso kirina gosaba basamariye baya wesokia na gokonye skuru yengana ya menturo chinguru no mo nyakirogo we body ya skuru yiga hegotoka ime ye wodi ya kyabonyerwe bunge ya burabu Pastor Cyrus Maugoto.
Kwa majina naitwa Madam Claire Oyula, Sub-County Director of Education, Nyamira North Sub-County. Yeah, I've come to school today following the fire incident that occurred yesterday at Nyangoge SDA Secondary School, where 4 beds got burnt. There were no casualties. There was no fatality, and the boys assisted in putting out the fire, so it didn't extend. However, we have some few items that got burnt. Yeah, the team from school is still finding out more, after which a comprehensive report will be compiled on the extent of the damage, but it was controlled, and we want to thank the student community, the fire brigade, the DCC and the security team for coming in good time to arrest the situation.
Litariana Seras Mawatongorwa, BMCA, Escurue, Ditukolegoro, Kiravana, Vakorego Sasima, and Saya Maya Margova, Nari ngane ya togete umororo ase kirasi muna mwewa ya abanafunzi after this incident happened because of the unit of the school ntwarangeli abana utaka komanyanga mbonsi bali ondinaro affected so far omwana tayonyorete engoma nonye neyamo nebintu byoka nandekeredo mwikoya mwana mbayo bara irororo.
Yeah, currently the institution requires support, especially of mattresses that got burnt, and blankets, beddings generally, to enable the learners to settle. Yeah, the few girls whose items got burnt. So we are asking any well-wisher who can come in to support so that the learners can settle and continue with their studies.
Bono uko boli kwa nemuna ekenyore kega kia Nyangoge fraternity na area member parliament mwesimiwa osero usaba wetu nkolinga n'abana bao munakwa beru ubu musado munene. Also we ask for your support, especially for this Nyangoge Secondary School.